And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Got a lot to talk about. The holiday weekend knocking on the door. Outside right now, beautiful night. Getaway day for tomorrow, hot and humid. When you're traveling to your destination, if you're trying to beat the traffic and you want to get on the road maybe early, the road should be just fine. Most of you will be traveling tomorrow and likely with the air blasting in the car with temperatures getting up to near 90 degrees away from the coast. Right now, we're right around 70. Cool spot looks like Taunton and Norwood at 62, but we're still holding 70s in Westport, Providence, and TF Green. Of course, Providence and TF Green, two different places. Dew points have been creeping up this evening as well. The air mass, when the dew points are in the 40s and 50s, like they have been most of this week, the air is comfortable and it feels pretty good. But through the evening hours, starting to see a few locations nudge 60 degrees. It's not terribly humid, but signs of things to come. Dew points will continue to go up tomorrow, and then it'll be really, really humid on Saturday, but not hot because you're going to have some clouds and some rain in the forecast, which I'll talk about here in a moment. So the next 2 days, the humidity comes back, but it lowers for Sunday and July 4th as the weather will be sunny and less humid, drier air mass in place. So what to expect? Hot and humid tomorrow. We'll cover that. That gets you going for Friday. But Saturday is the day of concern. Many of you are already trying to line up those plans for the 4th of July. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Saturday looks like it's going to be a very stormy day. Thunderstorms, heavy rain, gusty winds, and not just during the afternoon. There'll be waves of rain throughout the day. And it looks like we could have potentially heavy rain, not just in the afternoon, but also in the morning as well. The time I think severe weather could happen, what I mean by that is some damaging winds or maybe even some small hail would happen more towards the afternoon and evening. And it could get pretty dicey quickly on Saturday. So no diciness tonight, just clear skies and then sunshine in the morning. Temperatures responding quickly to that sun. We take you to 60s, 70s, 80s, and then try to hit the 90-degree mark for areas inland. I think we'll get real close. If you're making it a beach day, the Rhode Island beaches will get stuck in the upper 70s, but still humid in the afternoon. Mostly sunny, hot, and humid for southeastern Mass, and you too will make runs at 90 degrees in Attleboro, North Attleboro, areas like, say, Fall River, real close to 90 degrees as well. So warm fronts lifting through the region at this very time. That's going to bring the humidity in, but the rainfall for Saturday is still back here with this cold front. So you got a little bit of time before it gets here. So you'll watch those showers and thunderstorms progress east throughout the day tomorrow. We stay dry. There is a slight chance of a shower in the afternoon, but most areas will stay sunny and just hot and humid. These storms will start to move closer to the area by the time we get to Saturday morning. Here's 4:30 a.m. Got a little cluster of rain moving through. And then in the morning hours, another line of showers that will produce some heavy rainfall will whip across the area sometime around 9 and 10 a.m. Then you get a little lull in the action. And you think that's a good thing, right? You may even pop a little sunshine. But the more sun you get Saturday in between the two periods of rain is not good news. It will fire up the atmosphere and allow for another round of storms to develop in the afternoon and evening. They'll be out by about 8 or 9 o'clock, and that's the target time for some damaging winds and some small hail. Stay weather aware for Saturday. I know everybody's got holiday on their mind, but it could get very stormy here in the afternoon and evening before we get back to better weather on Sunday and Monday. And even next week looks pretty good too. Maybe a spot shower Tuesday night, but otherwise dry and high temperatures around 80 degrees. Ian.
Thank you, Jeff. Day